Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a rear windshield wiper. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a new 10-inch rear wiper blade, which is a common size for many models. Additionally, a small flat-tip screwdriver or a hex key will be very helpful. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Carefully lift the wiper arm just slightly from the glass. It won't move much. Look closely for a small release tab where the blade connects to the arm. This tab can be tricky to see, so you might need to feel for it. Use your small screwdriver or hex key to press the tab, then slide the blade towards the center of your vehicle to detach it. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new 10-inch wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Gently but firmly slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a clear click, confirming it is locked into place. Double-check that the blade is securely attached and sits flush. Finally, let's perform some quick checks. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the rear window. Turn on your vehicle's rear wiper to test the new blade. Observe its movement. It should sweep smoothly across the glass, providing clear visibility. If it streaks or chatters, double-check the installation. Regular inspection helps maintain clear rear vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.